I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying core prerequisites. Make sure Word is updated and the document language matches the proofing language. Once done, open File, choose Options, then Proofing. Turn on Check Spelling as you type and mark grammar errors as you want live feedback. You should also confirm custom dictionaries are loaded. If you added terms before, make sure they appear. These steps guarantee Word can analyze text and apply the correct rules, so you don't chase phantom errors later. Next, you dive into the middle steps that often fix persistent failures. Open Proofing's custom dictionaries and add your dic or remove corrupted entries. Corrupted files can silence spell check. Then navigate to File Options Add-ins and temporarily disable suspicious third-party add-ins because they can intercept proofing. Once adjusted, run the editor pane or press F7 to perform a full document check. This ensures both the engine and supporting files cooperate, so errors are detected consistently. To finish, perform final corrective actions. Repair Office from programs or settings to fix missing components and rename normal. DOTM to reset user settings. Word recreates defaults. Once done, reopen the document, re-enable proofing, and run a full editor sweep. Make sure Office is activated and any necessary language packs are installed so dictionaries load correctly. If spell check still fails, one key troubleshooting tip. Test in a new blank document to isolate document corruption versus global configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.